Good morning, my wonderful people. Dear cake designers out there, and every other business that has a lot to do with food and the rest of them. At least, as long as you have something that people buy and eat, this video is for you. It worries me a lot that I decided to come online to talk about it. And what am I talking about today? It's about our hand gloves that we are using to prepare our cake on social media, to make food on social media. Yes, it's good to be hygienic, but the question is, are we really hygienic using these hand gloves? Or are we pretending to be hygienic using these hand gloves? Well, I know that many of us will be wondering, what is this woman talking about? How can she be asking whether hand gloves are hygienic? Yes, hand gloves are supposed to be hygienic, but it is always based on how you use them. For instance, I went to buy something, I don't want to call name, very close to me. The lady sells along the road, and he always sell using hand gloves. So when I came to her to buy something, I find out that the same hand gloves she was using the same hand gloves to count money. She's using the same hand glove to touch, even to clean heat. I mean, you use the hand glove to count money, you use the hand glove to rub out heat. The same hand glove, I mean, how does it sound that somebody who is wearing hand glove for the sake of hygiene uses the same hand glove to count the same money? Every one of us believe that it has so much germs, and at the end of the day you still use the same hand glove to scratch, and at the end of the day you still use the same hand glove to dish and collect what people will eat and put for them in the plate. Let's think about it now. Let's think about it. Is this hand gloves really hygienic with the rate people are using it? Or is it not possible that people should go and learn to know how it should be used? When I went to the hospital, the last time I went to the hospital, I can, see the nurses using hand glove for injections. Before they will inject you, they use hand glove. And before they inject the next person, they will remove the hand glove and put another hand glove. That is hygienic. But whereby you use the same hand glove from morning till night, and apart from morning till night, everything you want to do, as long as you have worn that hand glove, you will do it. You will touch, you will do. In fact, sometimes you find out that we are even accumulating more disease through this hand glove instead of the normal hygiene that we want to portray out there. So my people, let's think about it. This hand gloves issue, is it not better you use your hand? By the time you wash your hand, that is, by the time you finish counting your money with your hand, you wash your hand and you sell something to your customer. Because the reason why I'm saying this is because today now we have cholera and everybody is attributing it to Zobo, all drinks. We shouldn't take this, we shouldn't take that. Sometimes these things this dirty that we accumulate through hand gloves also can affect the food we eat. It can make it have germs, and before we know it, we are already sick. Okay, so my people out there, the main reason I'm making this video today is to create an awareness about hand glove. Please, if you're using hand gloves to serve food, when you want to count money, remove the hand glove. You can wear it later, or you can give someone else. They can give someone else the money to count for you. And when you want to clean your heat, don't use the same hand glove to clean your heat. It doesn't make sense. At the end of the day, we all are still eating from the hand glove, and you find out that we are not really hygienic the way we portray out there. Another thing about hand glove, some of us are good at coming to social media. You portray this habit that you are actually using hand glove to do your food. But let's tell ourselves the truth. Do you really do that in your workplace? Do we really use hand glove to do everything we need to do? A humble question. If you don't use hand glove in your workspace and you come to social media to portray that you use hand glove, does it really make sense? Well, I want us to ask ourselves these questions, because I remember that the sickness is more now than in those days when we were using our hand to do everything. Of course, you wouldn't want dirt to be in your hand. And I know that there are still some people that uses this hand glove in a very correct manner. I know that very well. But there are few, there are not many. And so many of us, so many other persons that are joining there using it are not using it correctly. You just want to portray hygiene out there in order to sell your market. And at the end of the day, what are you doing? You are causing havoc out there, contaminating your food and selling rubbish to people. At least before anything in this life, let us have conscience. Let's judge ourselves. What we are doing, is it really the right thing? So my people, my take on this, if you have any comments or any question concerning what I've just said or any contribution, please endeavor to add it, because I know people will definitely read it and they will be able to learn from it. Because I must tell you, it is not funny again. So my people, this is what I have to say today. So whatsoever suggestion you have concerning this hand glove of a thing, please put on the comment section so that we can learn. If there's any better way you think we should be using hand gloves, please put it on that comment section so that we can learn, including me, because I won't tell you lies. Every one of us will learn every day. Okay? I believe what I've just said will touch one or two persons and make us realize that the ways we do things are not really the right way. Thank you.